What makes a giant stop an entire world? Without making a sound. In the middle of a dusty road, an elephant stood still. Cars waited. Humans stared. But he didn't move. Not in anger, not in fear, just silence. His eyes held stories of forests cut short, paths stolen, homes erased. Each passing minute felt like a question asked to the world. Where do I go now? No trumpeting, no charge, just presence. And somehow, that silence spoke louder than any protest. In that moment, the road didn't belong to humans or machines. It belonged to a memory, a plea, and a gentle giant asking to be seen.